my will is strong, and I know that as these days go on, you'll find I'll get to you if it's the last thing that I do. Every step you take, I'll be a second behind. Every move you make, I'll be the thorn in your side. And no, you can't fight this now. I will not back down. I'm the sky, the stars, the moon, the setting sun. I'm the feeling inside you when you come.
I didn't want to see you get hurt, okay? I was...